they're strong, but they can't really smash up an emu.
Oh my god. Oh, look at him.
There's a rock.
Oh my
He's using that
god.
rock to smash open the shell, very tough shell of an emu egg. He'll keep persisting. This is what these birds actually do out in the wild. Parents don't teach them. The trainers here at the sanctuary, we did not teach Major to grab an egg,
That
to
is
grab a rock
amazing.
and smash it. This is their innate
He's missing the
He's missing the rock. These birds are born with the understanding.
Look at him.
The best way to get into an emu egg immediately is to go and grab a rock.
Give me the nuts.
Start smashing away. It's a pretty strong egg, isn't it? We've got some other rocks there. Try that one if you like, Major. This also is an important feeding behaviour for a black-breasted buzzard. They live in remote areas of Australia where food can be scarce. So they're opportunistic feeders. There's a lot of nutrition inside that.
I got it. Ah.
He's in there. Pretty impressive stuff, isn't it? Nice work, Major. So you can imagine the nutritional value inside a big emu egg. That's going to keep a black-breasted buzzard going out in the wild for about 5 days without needing another meal. Anyway guys, that is Major, the Australian black-breasted buzzard. Thank you very much, Major.